Welcome to iDesign. If you're a new subscriber, this is a page where I showcase some of my design work and some of the things I do as a product designer and as a design and technology teacher. Not what is happening in this video, however. As a designer, you also get called by family members to put together Flatpack furniture that people buy, and it's something that I really enjoy. It's something that I like, so I always do it. My advice when you're putting together flat pack furniture like this is set everything out nicely. Make sure that you have all your nuts, bolts, dowels, everything that you need set out in front of you, and you have the pieces as well. The pieces usually come either in numbers or letters, so you'll have pieces 1 to 8 or letters A to G and so on. So organize everything in front of you. Make sure that you have every part. Also, some mistakes do happen, and when you start assembling, follow the instruction manual. It doesn't matter whether you've done this 100 times, whether you are the best at assembling things. Each company and each manufacturer has their own way of explaining things. So if you've done this several times for one manufacturer, when you buy something different, there might be a different thing that you will need to do. So follow the instruction manual and make sure that you're going about it step by step. Don't skip any steps. If you think, oh yeah, I really know how to do this part quickly, follow the instruction manual and you should have a product that is nicely assembled and that will function well. What I'll say is, if you really enjoy putting together DIY furniture, this is something worth doing. Buy the furniture, do it yourself at home. If it's not something that you're into and you want to give it a go just because you saw it on YouTube, I mean, it's a double-edged sword. You might be able to do it and it might be really fun, or it might be a stressful thing. So if you have store people that can assemble it for you, just get it done. But if you really want to get your hands dirty, well, not necessarily dirty, but if you want to get your hands on the product and do it yourself, then give it a go. Right, that's all from me. Thank you. If you aren't subscribed yet, subscribe. I promise other videos will be of me doing real industrial design work.